In this video, I'm gonna show you how to delete Facebook account on iPhone. This method works on Android as well as on iOS devices. So let's get started. First, open Facebook app on your mobile. Now go to menu page by tapping on profile icon located at the bottom right side. Scroll down and tap settings and privacy. From here, tap settings. Here you will find account center. Just tap on it. Now tap personal details. On personal details page, tap account ownership and control. On the next screen, tap deactivation or deletion. Here you need to select the account that you wish to deactivate or delete. Just tap on the account. On the next screen, you will get options to deactivate account and delete account. Just choose delete account option and tap continue. When you delete your main account, you won't be able to retrieve the content or the information that you have shared on Facebook. Your associated Facebook profiles and pages where you are the admin will also be deleted. Now tap continue. On the next screen, just choose the reason for deletion. Now tap continue. Before you delete the account, you should always take the backup of your data. Now enter your Facebook password for security reasons. In the last step, you will get a confirmation about account deletion. After you delete the account, you still get 30 days to reactivate your account. If you are sure to delete your Facebook account, then tap delete account button. Within these 30 days, if you wish to reactivate account again, then simply log in to the deleted account using your email and password. So that is how you can delete your Facebook account. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.